Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set device type for your speaker EDIFIER D32 on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And then you need to scroll down. I have stock Android and right here it's located at the bottom. You may have it at the beginning. It depends on Android phone. Tap at the device type line. And in this window you need to select speaker by tap on it. And now we see that this device use speaker device type. So we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!